We're continuing on our journey in the Nullarbor Plain, and we were so excited to find cliffs and beaches and the sea after all the dirty roads and the dust. We also discovered some pretty impressive cliffs. The edge looked pretty crumbly, so I'll do a quick shot here and then we'll send the drone over for safety.
It's raining today, so that dust we collected at the last rest stop is going to turn into mud. Yippee! But we're on our way to Seduna, a little town where we are going to spend the night at a caravan park, clean everything up, go to the laundromat, wash all the sheets, all the clothes, the towels, everything, because it's dirty in here.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason.
Today we're at Point Labatt. We're hoping to see some sea lions. The only place in Australia where you can find some. So, fingers crossed.
There they are. There's a bunch there. And
Out on a beach bed. Working
another bunch down there, all huddled up together, soaking in the sun.
that outwind. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacations.